Welcome to Rock Up Racing.
There's no door to knock on.
I know. I need a ring bell.
Ring doorbell. Paul's man cave. Paul! What? Paul, what's going on?
Okay, so obviously we haven't got a paint booth. Well,
No.
we have a paint booth now. It's called Paul's Man Cave.
This is beautiful. You won't believe this, but this whole marquee cost us £36 from Amazon.
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at it. It's really stable, sort of.
It's Wednesday, and even though Gertie now is over there repaired, everything's all done and dusted, Charlie thought it'd be a really good idea to make a carbon fibre bonnet for it, and boot, lid and bumper. So it's been a mass rush to get everything done, plus we've sorted the wing out, the wing's all repaired and everything now. So I've literally got 2 days with no paint booth to paint it. But it's going to be nice.
You're gonna smash it, mate.
Yeah, so the middle's going to be all carbon fibre still, so that's still the carbon fibre. You can just see it in the tape there. So we've got 2 days to paint it. It's been absolutely hammering it down, so
Yeah, the weather's
can't put
rubbish
the marquee
today.
up outside, so unfortunately it's going to have to be done in the workshop because we've got to make do with what
We've got all the ventilation stuff over there. So, and Paul's got a big mask.
Yes.
And he's going to dress up like Darth Vader, aren't you, Paul?
Thank you.
And Paul's actually got some more news. Paul is now officially our first aider.
Yes, I have.
Aren't you, Paul? Well done.
Thank you very much. I've just had a massive delivery of duct tape and tissue,
Yep.
just in case anybody cuts themselves.
Perfect. Well done, mate.
Anything else after that, you're out the door. I'm not interested, so... Oh! Help! I need a plaster.
Paul, someone said you could paint cars.
No, I can't.
You can't.
No.
I think you've done a pretty good job, though.
I don't want to paint cars.
You don't want to paint
I
cars.
don't want to work on racing cars anymore.
Aren't you?
I want to service transits.
So we have a bonnet and a wing. And look at that nice shiny carbon fibre. Woo-hoo. Looks really good, Paul. You've smashed it, really. Not really. Okay. Paul doesn't like painting cars, do you, Paul? But the little gazebo works perfectly.
I know. I'm gonna have a little sleep in there now.
Looks really good, mate. Well done.
Now the boys are going testing tomorrow. It's just me and you, so we can get a little paddling pool in there.
I love it. So it's not going to be done for tomorrow, but the boot lid is going to be done. And he's painted the grille blue. Look at that. That looks so smart. So I've only just got here, so I'm a bit late to the party, but they've been out for one lap and Rob says it was good. They've had a good run. Paul's going to be fuming because he scraped the new bumper already on the bollard, because obviously it's left-hand drive. He obviously came over a bit more. Paul's going to be fuming. But the car seems to be going good. Got some lovely new carbon on it. So really I think we've been experiencing issues with the car because we haven't been doing things like this, and that's testing. It's like a vital part of really running a car, and because things have been so crazy with building the Camaro, work, the garage, everything like that, we've not had the chance to actually come out to Snetterton, which is only an hour down the road, and actually test a car. So hopefully we're going to get a full day's testing in Gertie today, which will set us up well for next weekend when we're at Speedfest in this car. And we've also booked testing on the Friday before Speedfest, so we should be able to get a shed load of time with the car, Robert in the car, and sort of just really shore things up before the race. Got something like you're looking for in the car? Like, you got a plan?
Just keep playing myself in and find a few more seconds and just get more comfortable driving it again. This is what we missed at the start of the year, isn't it?
I did say this sort of thing is exactly what we need to be doing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Learning the car again. Because you think really, overall, you've not had a lot of time in this car.
No.
Like,
It's not why it's not good.
no. So it's still really learning a new car, even though we've had it for a long time. You say it's never worked for.
Well, especially comparatively as well. How many laps you've done?
Yeah, totally. So the test day in Gertie at Snetterton today went well. I couldn't stick around for the full day though, because I had to leg it back and actually crack on with this little video. But since I've been back, Tom has filled me in. Robert went out in session 3 and said the car felt so good that he's parked it and done for the day. So yeah, all eyes are now on Speedfest next weekend. So we have testing on the Friday, then a full weekend of racing. So it should be a proper one. We're also planning on doing a live stream Q&A video next week, so if you have any questions, chuck them in the comments and we'll try to get through as many as we can. Right, see you at Brands.